Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you some hand and finger exercises for you to do if you have a stroke or a brain injury. And these exercises are going to be easy all the way to advanced versions. I'm going to start off the easy ones first and then move to the advanced version. However, if your hand and your wrist is tight like this, then these exercises may not be suitable for you at this moment. I want you to take a look at this video that I'm linking up at the top right hand corner and watch the video and stretch out your hand before doing these exercises shown in this video. It is because if your hand and wrist is going to be very tight, then there's no way you can actually open it up and participate in these exercises here. So do the stretching exercise video first before doing these exercises here. Welcome to Basically Physio. My name is Suresh and I'm a physiotherapist. So before doing all these exercises, I want you to be seated up in a chair with a backrest and also be in a calm and quiet environment. And if you have a tabletop for you to rest your forearm, that will be very good for the exercise. And you will also need a towel for the exercises that I'm going to show you. So for the first exercise, I want you to place your hand on the towel like this. Okay, if you're not able to get into this position, if your arm is a bit more tighter, then I just want you to open it up gently, all the fingers and the thumb, and then just place it down like this. Okay, in this position, I want you to try and extend your fingers. Okay, so you can assist using your stronger hand to just put the thumb a little bit more extended. Okay, a little bit more extended. The trick is you have to grade your movement. That means as your weaker hand is helping, you need to make sure that your fingers are also moving a little bit. If you don't have any power at all, it's fine. But if you have some flickers of movement, then you want to coordinate this with the moving of your stronger hand, helping your weaker fingers to extend. Okay, another way that you can do this is by grabbing the towel, the edges of the towel where your finger pads are touching the towel. I just want you to pull. Okay, so if it's a little bit more curled up like this, I just want you to pull. Okay, pull this towel at the edges just to help the extension portion a little bit. So as you're pulling, what you're doing is also you're trying to extend your fingers as much as you can using the weaker hand and then using the towel to assist and pull out the last part of the movement. If you can, in the position where you're holding your fingers out like this, I want you to hold it there for a few seconds, 1 to 2 seconds. If you can longer, that is good. Okay. So for this exercise, I want you to do about 10 repetitions, 3 to 5 sets daily. If you find this video useful, do consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. The next exercise is finger opening with your hand in an open up position. This is what we call the supine position. So your palm facing up. I want you to use your stronger hand to just help to open up the fingers like this. Okay, open it up like this. And after you have opened it up, I just want you to try your best to hold the position like this. Place the hand like this and hold it like this before it starts to curl up again. Okay, so if it curls up again, just reset the movement. Finger to open the other fingers. Okay, as much as you can go before the tightness comes on, and hold it there. If this is how much you can go, then that's fine. Just hold it there. If you can go more, it's good. If you're not able to, then just hold it there. Okay, because as you're holding it there, you're training these extensor muscles of your fingers. Okay, all this area, which is usually the more affected muscles and the one that is going to be weaker. So as you are just opening your hand like this, okay, using your stronger hand, open up the fingers. Okay, so you want to move from each joint, okay, slowly in a curled up position, just slowly open. If you're having pain, then stop at where the pain starts. Okay, don't push beyond the pain. In this position, just hold it there for a while. Okay, hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds. If you can do that, that's already very good. Hold it like that and then let it curl up. Okay, so try this for about 10 to 20 repetitions. Usually 10 is already going to be very tiring. Okay, and just hold it there and let it curl up again. Okay, do this 10 to 20 and do it for about 3 to 5 sets. Another position that you can try the same exercise is putting your hand out in a mid pronation and supination position, your forearm. Okay, in this position, just help to straighten up the fingers. Okay, straighten out the fingers and hold it there. Hold it there before it curls up again. Okay, so try to just keep showing you another angle. Okay, just as you are pulling out into extension, hold there for a while and then let it curl back in. Okay, just try this exercise, same number of repetitions and sets. The next exercise is in a palm down position, in a pronated position. What I want you to do in this position is that through your finger pads, I want you to try and push down your palm, okay? Not through your forearm, but rather more towards your finger pads. Just push down and hold it there, okay? So your fingers might be a little bit more curled up like this. In this position, just try your best to put the force down through your finger pads and try to extend these fingers like this and let go. Okay, so hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds if you're able to. So push through your finger pads and relax. One more time, just push through your finger pads as much as you can and relax. Okay, push through one more time, hold it there for about 1 to 2 seconds and relax. Usually if you're having a lot of tight fingers, then this will be in a more curled up position. Okay, just help to extend your fingers if it's a bit more curled up, one by one, thumb also, and then try to push through your finger pads. Okay, try to push through your finger pads and a little bit of your palm as well. Okay, do this for about 10 to 20 repetitions, 3 to 5 sets daily. So now we are going to a little bit more advanced exercises. This is called the towel scrunching. Okay, so your fingers are open up like this. Okay, what you want to do is just squeeze this hand. This usually shouldn't be too much of a problem. And let go. This is where the difficulty will be, the straightening out and opening out your fingers. Okay, so squeeze this and try to open as much as you can. If this is how much you can do, then for the remainder of the movement, just pull the towel out just to help extend your fingers. Okay, as you're extending your fingers, remember, look at this portion of your hand, really look at the fingers and try to make those move along with the pulling. Okay, as you're doing all these exercises, it is very easy to be very frustrated and you'll get a bit tired easily. So be patient, just keep trying and you will get there eventually. Okay, so pull it all the way in and pull out. Okay, if this is how much you can go, once again use the towel to just pull out your fingers. Okay, and try to get them as straight as possible. Okay, the next exercise is a little bit more advanced. I want you to take a marker. If you have a bigger marker, it's going to be a bit more easier. Okay, then just roll it and put it towards the edges. Okay, what I want you to do is just using all your fingers as much as you can. Okay, just try to push the marker up. Okay, push the marker up like this and bring it back down. Okay, just try to use all your fingers if you can. This is just a general finger exercise. Just pull it up. Okay, it's going to be challenging. This exercise is really challenging. It's more for the advanced version. Okay, and then just pull it back down. Try to use all your fingers as you're doing this movement. Okay, as you're doing this movement. If you're not able to finish it up, then just place it back again and try. You don't really need to do it like how I am doing. Okay, I don't expect you to do it like how I'm doing, but if you can just move a little bit up and down, okay, just a little bit going up using your thumb and all your fingers, then that's fine also. Okay, so you want to go upwards 5 times and downwards 5 times. Okay, try to do it for 1 to 3 sets. This is quite tiring and it is actually a good workout if you're able to do this. But this is, like I said, it's an advanced version. Okay, so don't be too disheartened if you're not able to do this exercise. So now on to our last exercise. If you have a ball like this, then you can do this exercise. Okay, if not, just roll up a piece of paper or towel, just roll it up into a ball and put some rubber bands on it and you can actually get a ball out of it. Okay, so for this exercise, it's also an advanced version of this. Okay, just try to shape your hand around the ball. Okay, once you shape your hand around the ball, it doesn't have to look so nice. It just has to grab the ball and in this position, just try to relax and let go. Okay, and put your hand here. Okay, we're going to try it a few times. The main thing that we are focusing on is letting go, because when you let go here, you're activating your fingers and your thumb extensors, and this is usually the challenging portion. And just put it down here. Okay, so you can grab, you can even do it in mid-air. Okay, just try to let go and let the ball drop. Okay, so grab it again. You don't have to have a very nice grasp. Okay, main thing is the letting go. Okay, grab it and let go. A little bit more challenging version of this is as you let go, try to keep your fingers out open for as long as you can, a few seconds, and then pull it down. Okay, this just so that you can activate all of the muscles that extend your fingers. Okay, so hold the ball and let go and hold. Let go and hold your fingers and put down. Okay, grab the ball and you want to let go and hold the fingers. You don't have to do it so fast like how I did it. Okay, just do it gently. Main thing you want to make sure is that you don't have pain when you're doing this. Okay, so like I said again, this is an advanced version. Don't be disheartened if you're not able to do this yet. You will eventually get there. We've come to the end of the video. If you want to check out more videos on your leg exercises or other hand stretching exercises and strengthening exercises, here are the videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.